Hola, I'm Chef Conchita from Puerto Rico. Dishes from my country that you can find them in any household or restaurants. I've been away from my country for 40 years. I have brought the typical flavors from Puerto Rico to each country that I have been. Started my business with the roast pork because when all the time I cook it for friends, they start asking me, can you do it for me? And I ended creating my business from it. And it's very close to my heart. We will have a variety of dishes. For example, the pernil, which is a Puerto Rican roast pork. If you are curious about it, come to the Tok Panjang at Palate Sensation. Gracias.